Hey guys, let's check out Bathla or Bathla Ladder after 5 years of use. As you're all watching in the video, it seems pretty brand new, right? Even after 5 years of use. And let me tell you, it's in a good working condition. If you want one, you can check out the link in the description box on Amazon stores. As you purchase, make sure the kgs or the weight it sustains. So here you can see it has got a sleek or matte finish, anti-slip steps and large platform to sit and stand, and you have a super hinge technology with double joints. It's easy to fold and unfold as well. So it's lightweight, rust free, easy to use, portable. You have seen here how is the finish. It seems pretty nice, robust, right? And you can use it for your domestic purposes or for your professional works as well. As you see here, we have used this to climb or to climb up the tree, to pluck fruits from the tree. You all know you can use it with all stability. You can go to the last step. As you see here, the person is standing on the last step of the ladder so comfortably and with all stability, feeling safe, right? So you need not fear of falling down. So here are sweet supporters that we have plucked. It's a great use, and let me tell you, you can use it for your household chores or for painting or construction works professionally. You have an offer right now on Amazon stores. You can get it at 60% off. So don't miss this. It's an 5 foldable aluminum ladder. As you see here, it is easy to climb up and get down. It's an hassle-free, or to say no fuss ladder. If any of you watching my video for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to Flying Skies 1 and click on the notification bell to get my videos on time whenever I upload it, right? So thank you all for subscribing to Flying Skies 1. So here are some of the clips I have added to show how you can use the ladder to go to great heights, right? And enjoy the work doing in the heights. So here comes all kind of garden work or harvesting work. So it's been successful, and you need not worry of falling down or getting hurt in any ways, and you need not take anyone's help. Once you unfold the ladder and set up, it stays on ground firmly, so you can climb up without any fear or doubt that you might fall. So here you can see how easy you can fold it and store easily with less space, right? So it's a good quality aluminum Bathla ladder. You can enjoy the purchase without any regrets. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.